Hello everyone, this is Natasha from Combirds. Combirds is a leading telecom platform with 9 years plus experience and verified meta partner, providing the services like SMS, OTP, WhatsApp, voice, and email. You may have noticed that when you message a brand on WhatsApp, the reply often don't come from a human. Instead, a chatbot responds you instantly and performs the complete conversation automatically. In today's video, I'll show you how you can build a similar WhatsApp chatbot using the Combirds platform. So what is WhatsApp API? This chatbot works only on WhatsApp API enabled business number. So if you're unsure what is WhatsApp API or how to get it, don't worry. We already have detailed video that explains the entire process. Please check it out. Link is given in the description. A WhatsApp chatbot of a company can be triggered via three main ways. First, when you message on some brand business WhatsApp number like hi, you start getting automated replies. That is the first entry point where a chatbot can interact with you. Secondly, when you get a promotional information message from some brand on WhatsApp and you click on the reply buttons in the message, that is the second entry point. Third, when you see some brand in Facebook or Instagram ad and click on their WhatsApp chat button, it takes you to their WhatsApp with automatic replies. So these are the three entry points where your customer can interact with your brand with the chatbot. Our chatbot covers all the three entry points and we will try to explain you with an example. Let's say you are a communication company like Combirds and you are running a lead generation ad on Facebook or Instagram. You must have seen an ad that says send WhatsApp message. The moment someone taps on that button, they directly land on the WhatsApp chatbot, and from there, everything happens automatically like lead collection, instant replies, sharing information, guiding the user step by step. No manual effort is required, fast follow up is there, and better lead conversion rate is there. Now let's build a chatbot on Combits. To start, we need to active the chatbot flow with the Combits plan. After activation, we see a flow section on the left hand side menu. Once you click over here, you can create up to 5 separate chatbot flows. Let's create one. Once you click on the chatbot, for example, I'm using this flow. You can give this chatbot flow a name. I have given the test cam. Now, on this interface, you can clearly drag and drop using the side menu buttons and create your flows. Okay. So when you click on the create flow, you will see a clean drag and drop interface. On the left hand side, you will see all the text message, media buttons, action buttons, everything is available. You can pick any of the option and simply drag it into your flow. So before starting the chatbot, you need to decide like how the chatbot would be initiated. So already we have discussed the three triggering points or the entry points. In the similar manner, we will link those entry point over here. First would be the keyword one where you can add a hi, hello, text something. If somebody is replying you that on WhatsApp, the chatbot would start taking the initiative from there on. Secondly would be the template. If you have sent any sort of message template and somebody is interacting with that, then the chatbot would be initiated. And third, you can add your Facebook ad. You can connect your Facebook ad over here. And if someone comes in contact with that and comes to your WhatsApp, the chatbot would be started. Okay. Now, once the entry flow is decided, we can start creating a chatbot. From the left hand side menu, I have used the text button. A text button is basically a simple text with the buttons. No media would be there. So in the first message, I have described about my company and added two buttons to it. Now I'll connect this flow over here. Right. Once done, I have added two buttons like talk to agent and no more. If you click on no more, I have added another message type that is the list. So list is very important thing in the chatbot. Many of the users are using it. In list, you can add multiple um, services or products that you want to show to your clients. You can add it in the button format. You can give simply a message over here and add the buttons over here or the items over here. That is called as list. Okay. You can even preview it from the option, like how it would be shown to your customer on WhatsApp. This is how my message would look like when somebody clicks on the list. This is how the list would appear to them on WhatsApp. Okay. So you can use the list from here. Once done, on the button. Now, what next would happen? Okay. Now, if somebody clicks on WhatsApp Business API, for example, from the list option, a new chat bot action would be taken place over there. Now, I have added a media button from the menu bar. In the media button, it is again a simple text message with button, and a media would be also there. So you can add the image, video, audio file, any of them from here on. So this media contains an image, the text, and also a few buttons. You can even preview this. Okay. Once done, I'll connect it. Now, if you see other things mentioned on the list, I have added a tag to it. So now what tag is? Tag is basically labeling your content. Okay. So that you can retarget your customer on the basis of tag. You can filter out the database on the basis of tagging. This won't be shown to your customer. This is an internal thing used by the company so that they can filter out their database accordingly. Now, if somebody clicks on the SMS, email, or voice, any of the services from the list, I have added a tag to it. For the SMS, tag SMS has been added. You can click on add tag and create your own tag. For the other services, I have added different tags over here. Okay. So this tagging option is also available on the left hand side menu. Add tag option. You can directly drag and drop and add the tags. Now, once that is done, under this option of the WhatsApp Business API, we have mentioned a button of WhatsApp Business API pricing. Now, if somebody clicks on this particular button, again a media button I have added with the file in that and few buttons more. So it is similar to the same media button, just a file is there. Once you click on the button like schedule a demo, I have added an attribute. So attribute is like an invisible tag that gets attached to the user depending on what they click. For example, if they are clicking on schedule a demo, so we can assign them an attribute called as demo interested, or like I have written over here the WhatsApp API demo. I can even write it something else over here. So this can later help you in filtering out your contact on the basis of label. You can find all the users who have shown interested in WhatsApp API demo, and you can retarget or follow up on them. So this again an attribute can be set over here. This won't be visible to your customer. It is an internal thing. Once I have set an attribute over here, I have linked it with the questionnaire. So from the action button, I have selected ask question button. And now if somebody clicks on schedule a demo, I want to ask them on what date they are actually looking for it. Okay, so set an attribute of query, and under the format of date I have selected. You can even ask any other question which contains number, text, email, or something like that. I have asked the date. If somebody enters a wrong format, I'll also show them the text like please enter the date in the particular format. So this could be added over here along with a question. You can even ask for the location, the address, also the media you can ask from your customer. So you can simply drag and drop and ask your question or ask for another details according to your chatbot flow. Okay, so this can be done, and at the end there is a connect with agent option is remaining. So I'll connect this with the request intervention option. So once a request intervention is triggered, you can select it from the action button. Automatically the chat will go to the live chat option from here on, and from there your support team members can take the conversation ahead and they can have a two-way smooth communication with your customer. In the similar manner, whenever there is a talk to agent option, I'll simply drag and drop to the request intervention. So this is a simple chatbot flow that we have created and tried to explain over here. You can even create the flow according to your company needs. You can even have a full catalog displayed, like you can have a catalog message integrated in the chatbot. You can even display the products, multiple product or single product over here. You can add the payment methods as well in the chatbot flow. So everything is possible. All the actions and the message templates are visible. Even we have the API request thing in the chatbot. So if you want the to fetch the data from the customer on your webbook, then you can even request the API from here. So all these possibilities are there. Once your chatbot is created, once you're satisfied with it, you just need to make it live, activating it, and just need to click on save changes. Once done, your chatbot would be live, and if somebody interacts with such entry points, automatically the chatbot would run in the background. Yeah.
So that's all for this video. Now you can easily create your own WhatsApp chatbot using our simple drag and drop builder, no coding required. And if you face any issues or need any support with the chatbot setup or any other Combirds services, feel free to reach out to us through our official website combirds.com. You'll also find a contact number there just in case you prefer to contact directly. Thank you for watching this, and we will see you in the next video.